It's a scary world out there. Welders get dropped, get wet, get abused, or just stop working. You have to protect your welder for those unfortunate incidents. And the Sunstone Circle is an innovative way to safeguard your welder. I know what you're thinking. Extended warranty, right? Hardly. Anybody can sell you another year or two of warranty coverage. Sunstone is not just another welding technology company, and you're not just another manufacturer in need of world-class welding systems. No, the Sunstone Circle is much, much more than an extended warranty. So what's included? Other than exceptional customer service that will exceed your expectations and blow your socks off? The Sunstone Circle Protection Plan provides 6 key advantages that you won't find with a typical warranty, or with any other welding technology company. First, your welder is under warranty, like, forever. But really, only for as long as you're a member of the Sunstone Circle. So, not 1 year, 2, 3, or 5 years of warranty, but forever warranty. And that's a big circle of protection, right? Second, if you need a loaner unit while your welder is being repaired, we'll send one. We're gonna do all we can to keep your production levels up. If you're in the circle, we'll take care of you. Third, if we feel it makes more sense to replace your welder than repair your welder, we're gonna do it right away. Fourth, you'll have access to all software upgrades all the time. Fifth, we'll cover the shipping costs on all repair work, no matter where you live. Granted, we ship via ground service. If you need it faster, simply pay the difference. And sixth, your requests for customer service are expedited. Your request moves to the front of the line. All of our customers are VIPs, but when you're part of the Sunstone Circle, you get extra attention. Additionally, you'll receive official Sunstone swag, invitations to test new welders, a complimentary subscription to the industry-leading Micro Welding Today magazine, and a quarterly e-newsletter, Inside the Circle, letting you know what new welding technology we're working on. In short, when you subscribe to the Sunstone Circle Protection Plan, your welder is always under warranty. You'll enjoy year after year service, repair, and replacements when you subscribe. Subscriptions start as low as $15 per month, depending on the value of your welder. Ask your Sunstone welding consultant to include Sunstone Circle membership in your quote. A small monthly subscription provides a very large umbrella of protection. Join the Sunstone Circle today. Are there limitations and fine print? Of course. You'll find the terms of service at sunstonewelders.com/Sunstone Circle. Protect your welding investment with the Sunstone Circle Protection Plan.